Graham de leche is a Filipino sweet dish composed of two popular desserts, namely Graham cake and Leche Flan. Your family will surely love it. The process in making Graham de leche is slightly long, but don't worry because none of these steps are hard and the end result is totally worth the effort. The ingredients involved are also not all that difficult. You should find this recipe easy as it's simply Graham cake and leche flan combined into one. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Let's make a caramelized syrup. Bring it to a boil and cook until it caramelizes. Once everything caramelizes, you can start to pour in the laneras or into the molders. Be very careful, this is really hot. So after pouring all the caramelized sugar, you can let the caramel solidify and let it cool down and put aside for the meantime. What do we need to prepare for making the custard? The ingredients are 12 medium eggs, 1 evaporated milk, and 1 condensed milk. Let's make the custard. Separate the yolk from the egg white using the egg separator if it's available. You can manually separate the egg yolk like this. Combine egg yolks, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and vanilla extract or key lime zest if available. Stir slightly until everything is fully dissolved. As you can see, there's still a lot of bubbles in it. So what I gonna do? I'm gonna strain the mixture using a fine sieve for at least 2 to 3 times or use a cheesecloth. Start to transfer the mixture into the prepared molder with caramel from just now. As you can see that the mixture is super fine now, but if still there's a lot of bubbles, what you need to do is to rest for 5 minutes or so, or until the bubbles will disappear by itself. Cut the aluminum foil according to the shape or size of your molders or laneras and cover it and place rubber band. You can repeat the procedure until all the molders will fully wrap with aluminum foil. These molders are all in small sizes. So what I gonna do, I will reduce the timing. I will steam it over medium-low heat for 20 minutes instead of 30 to 40 minutes like the normal laneras. I actually have proper steamer, but I just don't want to use it, so I'll just use whatever is available, and you too, you can use any available that you have in your kitchen. After 20 minutes, you can start to remove the aluminum foil that is being covered with the molders. Leave it open and let it cool down before you transfer to the Graham de leche or Graham cake. If you want to know the larger version or the normal size of the Leche Flan, I'm gonna put the link down there below so that you can find it in my upload videos. As you can see that the Graham cake are ready, I used the small containers also so that it will match to the Leche Flan that I made. And take it out from the molder and slowly turn it around using the spatula like that. Be very careful of taking it out. And the caramelized sugar, no need to use. Just take out the Leche Flan and flip it down using your finger. Or you can use also the bread knife. And there you go. And repeat the procedure until everything is fully done. Make sure that the Graham cake was already chilled before you put the Leche Flan. So this time I'm gonna use the whipping cream or the dessert topping. This is only applicable if you gonna serve it immediately after putting the cream. But if you want to keep it in the fridge for a long time, you don't have to put this cream anymore. You can just cover it immediately after putting the Leche Flan and keep it in the fridge. This is just an additional cost to you or also a design. There you go. As you can see, all the whipping cream like that. And it's ready to serve for everyone. I especially made this size because nowadays, due to COVID, sharing is not occurring anymore. So now, it must be individually packed like that for safety purposes. In my next video, I gonna upload the Graham cake or how I made the Graham cake, but in a big version. It's not like this. So please watch out my next video.